This is video 4 to show you the second design pattern. I've used the state pattern, which consists of state flying, falling, and state done. So this current state with the enemies right now is state flying, where it would loop until the collision is hit. So as you see, it will continue to go from the top to bottom until it is shot. This is when state falling occurs, which is when they'll move in a designated pattern, move left and right, and then after. So state done happens when the enemy has been shot at and it reaches the bottom of the screen. That's when it will respawn. So it will respawn from the top again. That is state done. So as you can see, the UML, the alien class, and the boss alien class both have the same states, which consists of the state flying, falling, and done. When the game starts, it will start with the state flying, and after, only when it's hit, it goes to state falling, and only after it reaches the bottom of the screen, once it is hit, it go back to state done, which will then respawn and then reloop back to state flying until the game is over.